Introducing Smart Blood Sugar. The complete system to naturally balance blood sugar and prevent or reverse diabetes without drugs. Are you looking for a comprehensive approach to targeting the underlying causes of erratic blood sugar? This simple program cuts through all the confusing and contradictory information, and zeroes in on the exact steps to take right now to control blood sugar levels. Imagine, no restrictive diet, no crazy exercise program. There's no fluff or technical jargon to wade through. Just practical, real-world help. This means you get to the good stuff you can use today. So now you can lower your blood sugar and reverse your diabetes, in the fastest, easiest, and tastiest way possible. You won't have to tear out your hair counting calories or deciphering complex plans, like with the low-glycemic index. You can lower blood sugar while eating sugar. Discover how to instantly gobble up sugar from your bloodstream, even when you indulge in that slice of chocolate cake. Plus, you'll see what you should have in your fridge at all times to keep hunger away. Start your path forward with having a healthy blood sugar for life. Click the link below this video to learn more and claim your 5 free bonus gifts.